Hello, everybody. I hope you can all hear me. I'm Giulio Airaga from the product management team in Diamond SA. I will be presenting you the enhanced high power section. And here we go. Just a few words about the company. The company is a privately owned company. The headquarters is in the south part of Switzerland. We have 2 subsidiaries, one in Germany and one in the United States. All our products are in-house produced. That means from raw materials to the finished component. We work with very tight tolerances. This means that the quality is of high quality. Just a small history about the company. It was founded in 1958. We worked ultra hard materials, and in 1979 was a diversification into fiber optics. From there, in 1980, we started our first series of high precision fiber optic connectors, and in 1992, the E2000 was developed. In 1994, we obtained the ISO 9001 certificate, and of course, the 14001 was obtained in 2003. We have an accreditation and calibration laboratory. And all the way till 2018, there was an intensive growth of Diamond into fiber optics and was known worldwide. Vertical integration. Diamond, as a vertical integration company, is producing its components from the raw materials to the finished end component. That means we have a new ceramic plant in the headquarters since 2020. And from the ceramic powder till the end, sleeves and ferrules and so on are produced in Diamond SA. The plastic department, we from the high-tech granulate, we inject different parts. That would be the bodies, the mating adapters, and all what is made of plastic of our components. We also have a machine park in Diamond where we produce our own parts for machines and high precision parts for our components, where they are lathes, milling machines, honing, and lapping machines. Diamond Technologies, we have the active core alignment, which core centers its patented core centers the core under 0.1 micron of eccentricity. We have the PM polarization maintaining. We have the power solution, which I will be presenting with the next slides. And of course, the last lensed ferrule XP. Just a few words on the high power technology. Here we have a connection. We have a ferrule left side and right side. We have the single mode, and then it spliced to a green fiber, graded index fiber. The distance is about 0.2 of a millimeter. So what happens is the light comes, it expands into the next connector and then collimates and again back into the single mode fiber. Here you can see the high power technology. It's just to show you. Here we have a single mode fiber, and just with 1 micron dirt, in the range of 1 micron, it can cause the fiber to burn. We have the temperature can reach up to 2000 degrees. You can see this column over here. But if we use the graded index fiber, we use a mode field diameter of about 40 microns. And of course, with a 1 micron dirt, it's less harmless, and the temperature goes down to 400 degrees. Here we have the ferrule type. We have the lensed XP, and you can see the specifications here. This is a non-contact connection. we have a lens. We have a lens on the tip of the ferrule. It uses a bigger mode field diameter, and it's one of our latest products. If we look here, we see the graded index fiber, which is mode field diameter of 25 microns. Here you can see the specifications. It's transmits up to 6 watts. What is new, and we are proud of it, is the graded index fiber, which is using a mode field diameter of about 45, and you can transmit up to 16 watts of energy. Just one word. It's the first company that has reached this value with standard connectors. Okay, the applications: fiber, power over fiber. We can get a light bulb to glow. It can be used for circuit boards. Then we have the lidars, the wind energy. Then we have the optical amplifiers, where we amplify the signal. Of course, in the medical section, laser surgery and materials processing, we can cut out different shapes on the laser cutting machines. And last, the optical metrology. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, go ahead.